revolutionizing safety and efficiency in industrial inspections with UTM sensor. Flyability, a leader in drone technology, has introduced its innovative Elios 3UT payload to the U.S. market during a launch event in Denver, Colorado. This new technology is poised to revolutionize the way indoor inspections are conducted, particularly in challenging environments. The Elios 3UT payload, developed in collaboration with Cygnus Instruments, integrates an ultrasonic thickness measurement (UTM) gauge into the Elios 3 drone. This advancement allows industry professionals to perform accurate thickness measurements in difficult-to-access spaces, significantly enhancing safety and efficiency. One of the standout features of the Elios 3UT payload is its ability to reduce the need for high-risk activities such as working at heights or entering confined spaces. By enabling remote inspections, the technology not only keeps inspection personnel safe, but also drastically cuts down on the time and cost typically associated with such operations. The payload combines a visual inspection tool, an embedded LiDAR sensor, and a state-of-the-art probe into a single device, making it a versatile solution for a wide range of inspection needs. This all-in-one approach can lead to cost reductions of up to 90% by eliminating the need for scaffolding or rope access, making inspections up to 10 times faster than traditional methods. Furthermore, Flyability offers the Elios 3UT payload with flexible acquisition options, either as a complete package with the Elios 3 drone or as a standalone unit for existing users. To complement this hardware, the company has introduced the Asset Management Extension software, which helps consolidate and process data from multiple flights into a unified asset perspective, streamlining workflow and reporting processes. In addition to the hardware and software innovations, Flyability is committed to supporting its users through comprehensive training programs. These programs are designed to ensure that operators can fully leverage the capabilities of their equipment, covering topics from flight best practices to data processing. The launch in Denver is part of a worldwide tour by Flyability, showcasing the Elios 3UT payload across various global locations. Find tour details and dates at Flyability's roadshows.